Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get 94 and 98 OVR Euro Star Player in FC Mobile. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confused how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest, so you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started by open this Euro event. So in this Euro event, you can play 5 chapters and jump into the Euro main chapter or Euro intro, and you can go to exchange from here. So in this exchange of the Euro, you can get 94 and 98. Between 94 and 98 OVR player, you can get 2 player by fulfill this condition. So you can tap it. This is possible reward that you can get. If you're lucky, you can get one of this player. So with 3 player with 94 OVR, and then 3 player with 90 plus OVR, and last one 85 plus OVR player. Let's tap exchange button, tap to unlock, tap to open. Let's see who we got now. From Scotland, central midfielder, we got a Armstrong, and we got Kramaric from Croatia here. Good player here. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.